Shubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Menteri Sarkar beri kami katana kam jengok kai ke Jelau labu jingkli ha kabayade ba one nation one election da ka benrap Halor ke Jingïapher ke por. Ubak pol la ku beru ba Sarkar kan sesang Pyrkhat Sani ba Halor ke ni ke pang. Ha ke jok ke por ba pol la ku doru ba keri India ka degeri ke bayar hadu kata-kata ba ka don ke Jingïapher ha pedeng ke por. Uni Menteri Sarkar la ongru ba hab de ban Pyrkhat Sani ba Shom rentre kami ke single election cycle da ka ba Pyrkhat ya ke Jingïapher jong keri. Ulah kedong nuksaru dah kaba penian nujor ya ke United States kaba pendan kami ke Jingïapher ki por hagi sau benta wat la dah kadai ke kari dah kaba buat jingkli la kari India kala pen krek ni men penlong ya ke single election cycle sho ba por la kedong ba kedon bru ke Jingïapher ke jing selama ke por ba mi sngi men step shigi wi ke jela ba ni nujor ba ki jela shigi tahan la mingi ba na kata kadau kala don kam shawn Pyrkhat Sani bha shwan pentre kami ya ke one nation one election. Kani jingkran ke jong kalawan rakyat ke jing Pyrkhat ke bathamai Halor ke one nation one election.
Yet to fully study the impact of such a plan on the part of the government, but I do feel that in the context of a very diverse country like India, for instance, country that is so diverse that in fact we need more than one time zone. So how can you talk in terms of one nation, one election? The rest of the country is up at, we start working pretty late compared to us because the sun rises much earlier here. So the United States is a single nation, but it has 4 different time zones. So I think that answers a lot. Very difficult. In fact, we've been saying that we believe in diversity, unity in diversity. So let us practice that.
When we are having flood here and our places are having heat there, how can we be? It's not possible, practical actually.